welcome back to the vlog. It's Sonia Miller with Junk Monkey Paint Company. It is one of those relaxing, just a dark, overcast kind of day outside today. How is your Sunday going? What are you getting into? Hopefully you're like me, just kind of doing a little bit of relaxing and a little bit of picking up around the house. You saw in that opening clip that even the cat is just kind of hanging out. Do you see how close he was to the towel pile here that I'm folding? But yet, you know what? If you know how to train a cat how to actually fold your clothes versus lay on it and sleep on it, I am all ears. It's been a busy week for us, and so today just feels so good to relax, catch up on my favorite shows, and do a little bit of housework. So last night on the vlog, you saw that we were out to Goodwill. We went junking and thrifting and picking, all that good stuff. And I got some good stuff. So I'm about to unbag my stuff. I'm gonna turn my camera on here so you guys can follow along and see what I found last night. This next few days is the day that I turned the house over to Christmas. And so here on the vlog, you're gonna see lots of sneak peeks of all this stuff that I've been picking and now have a chance to actually put out and decorate with and make beautiful. Last night's finds were no exception. So let me show you them real quick, unless you just wanna come over and hang out and like fold clothes with me. Guys, the first thing I got was this big frame. You guys saw on the vlog last night, Matt picking it. It's heavy, taking it off the shelf for me. I love the fact that it's got a hanger on the back. I think it's gonna fit the vibe of the house and how I like to decorate very nicely. It's actually made by the Bombay company. I'm sure somebody at one point paid a lot of money for this beautiful heavy frame, but I paid $7.99. I don't even know if I'm gonna dry brush that frame. I do love the gold and the black as it is, and so we shall see. But if I wanted to, yes, I could put some paint on it and flip it. Sometimes I like to paint my pieces and put a little Junk Monkey paint on them, and sometimes I just like to leave them as is and kind of intermix. What is your style? Let me know below. Do you have a vibe? Are you somebody that likes a little bit of the golds and the brasses and a little bit of the metallics brought into your space as well? Or do you want to paint it all? This piece here, was one of the best finds that I got, because even though it's brownie frowny, it's sad right now and it definitely looks outdated. I'm thinking to myself, this would be beautiful painted in the vintage white chalky style paint, and then decorated as a lantern for part of my Christmas decor. Can you envision it? What do you guys think? I think it's fun to have universal pieces that you can keep around your house year round and then just decorate them for the seasons, right? So this is gonna be one of those pieces I'm excited about keeping. I just realized it has the ring on the top. Wouldn't it be cool too if I hung it in a corner? You guys know that as I decorate and put things here in my new old home, I'm not only putting things around, but I'm starting to build it up higher and really bringing out more pieces. So I needed a lot of the basics to fill this space, which I feel like we're doing really, really good. And now I'm ready to continue to add more stuff to it. Case in point, who remembers the vlog where we got the big coffee table and this beautiful end table here for $40 at an auction? And we painted it vintage white, and I'm excited to get ready to take the pumpkins off. I told you I'm the last person that didn't decorate for Christmas. Oh well, now's the time, finally. So I'm getting ready to flip all this. So stay tuned on the vlog. I'll take you along the journey. Every single day you'll see bits and pieces of it come together. All right, I love this piece too. I said the last piece was my favorite, but I gotta tell you, this makes me excited too. Trays, another universal piece that you can find and you can pick that you can decorate with each season or holiday. So I got this tray set, which I'd be willing to believe that somebody purchased this primitive style bowl, tower, tier, plate, holder, storage, set thingy, mabob. Tier tray. Let's go with tier tray. I got it for $4.99. Oh, I love the crackling effect that they have in here. But for me, I'm gonna tone it down and I'm actually going to put it maybe like, I don't know, it could be sandy tan, antique lace, vintage white, just put it in a nice creamy neutral. Then decorate inside with maybe some fun stuff like, I don't know, some turquoise, Christmas bulbs and garland and things like that. So this is gonna be something we are going to be flipping together. So stay tuned to see the transformation happen. So I did take home this piece last night in the vlog. I told you that this was actually a Bath and Body Works piece that probably somebody paid a little bit more than $1.99. Oh my gosh, the tag is still on the bottom. Do you know how much they paid for this? $10.50. So I got it for $1.99, and it came with a white candle, but I don't want to keep the old candle. I'm going to put a nice fresh one inside of here. But again, just a beautiful piece, and I think I'm just going to shine it up and put a nice classic candle inside. Oh, a nice jar candle. I got my candles going today, and I can't wait to flip over to maybe some candy cane scented ones. Do you guys have a favorite scent that you like to put in your candles for like the winter, the cozy, the cooler months? Let me know below if you have some good ones. This vase, I think this vase is a good one. He's all smudged up. He needs some TLC, but I got this vase for $3.99, and he's very, very heavy. Very, very heavy. On the bottom, it says 1-800-FLOWERS. So I'm guessing maybe at some point that somebody got flowers in this vase. Yeah, and once again, they probably paid more than $3.99 at 1-800-FLOWERS. So because this is silver and the theme that I am planning, all right, here's my theme, okay? I haven't told anybody yet, but my theme for Christmas is going to be like Polar World, Arctic World. Leave it to a girl from the Great White North to come up with that theme. But yeah, there may be polar bears, there may be woodland creatures. Stay tuned. Okay, so I did go ahead and take this piece home. Again, $1.99, ain't breaking the bank. This is gonna be beautiful. So sometimes with these, if you can find them wide enough, like this one right here, and it has like a flat interior, these are awesome to sit even on your vanities in your bathroom, and then put your soap pump inside of it, right? Sometimes the soap runs down, it catches in this vase anyhow, you can just wash it out, but that's a fun way to make use of these pieces. That's one of my favorite ways. So we'll see how I end up using this, but just classic white and beautiful. It just looks so vintage. So what do you guys think of this precious find? Oh yeah. Okay, again, you can tell I'm bringing some whites into this space, right? Oh, love it. $1.99, and you can believe I'm gonna fill this one as well with some beautiful Christmas florals, maybe some pine cones. Stay tuned, we'll see that all go down. But classic white vase, honestly, if you need vases, the thrift store is the place to go. You can find vases of any color, any color. Oh wait, I just remembered. I'm like, I feel like there was one other bag. Yes, Matt found some books. And so, you know what? He's over there now. I'll take you over to the library with me. Here, this is Matt's domain. This is how the library is coming together. Listen, we're coming in to hang out with you. Hey, you just put your books out. Which ones did you get when we were at Goodwill?
Really?
Yesterday.
You're gonna...
Yeah, tell me which ones. You just put them up. Can you remember?
Stephen King.
Yes, we want to see it. I want to see it too. I'm actually reading a Stephen King book right now. I'm reading this one, The Institute, and this one right here is Dark Materials. Both of these.
Like 2009 he wrote this, but he wrote one back.
Is this a good one?
I don't know. I haven't read it yet. Stephen King, fourth favorite writer. Chronicle one is something I used to read back in high school, so that was there. I grabbed that. And then, of course, required reading, Les Miserables.
I've never read. Okay, this is take that down for a second. This is going to be my question of the vlog, all right? Who out there has read this book? Am I the only one on the planet?
Who wasn't required in college or high school not to write?
I never read this. Maybe excerpts that I forgot somewhere in my brain.
So, or seen the movie or the play.
No, I know. I saw the movie Cats advertised today.
Or the play.
Now I want to go see the movie Cats as well. All right, we'll leave you alone. Thank you for taking us on your book journey.
Yes.
All right.
Get out.
Okay, bye. All right, that's my haul. So I'm excited to get to decorating the house over the next few days. Stay tuned here on the vlog. I will bring you along and I'll show you where I'm putting all the decor that I found. So I'll probably show you decorating and probably even show like a Christmas tour. Would you guys like that? If I do like a whole room thing, not just like focusing on one thing or the hall, but showing you the space in itself. So let me know below if that sounds good and we'll do it. All right, see you guys again tomorrow. Do something fun today for yourself. Plan something this week ahead. Stay cozy, stay warm, do what you love, and just fill your happy bucket. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.